We reached Pykara Lake, which is a serene and picturesque destination located near Ooty in Tamil Nadu, and it's a part of Nilgiris district. It is approximately 20 kilometers from Ooty, and it is one of the popular tourist spot for its tranquil environment and natural beauty. The pristine waters, the lake is known for its crystal clear water surrounded by lush greenery and dense forest. Visitors are allowed to enjoy boat rides, including motorboats and speedboats, which are managed by the Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. And nearby, the Pykara River forms a beautiful waterfalls. Reach by road to the Pykara Lake, and it is around 30 to 40 minutes from Ooty, and you can reach by car or taxi. And the nearest airport for Ooty is Coimbatore International Airport, which is about 90 kilometers away. And the best time to visit the Pykara Lake and waterfalls is during summer, from March to June. It's ideal for boating and enjoying the cool breeze. And during monsoon, it is best from July to September. The waterfalls are at their best during the season, though boating may be restricted due to safety concerns. And winter, October to February, is the best time to visit, and the lake and its surroundings are incredibly serene and misty, offering a unique charm. The tea factory and the tea museum in Ooty, Tamil Nadu, is a popular tourist destination that offers a fascinating insight into the world of tea production and its history. Here's a detailed overview of the attractions. You'll have a tea museum which showcases the evolution of tea in India with a particular focus on the Nilgiris region. It offers an historical display which includes the artifacts, photographs and description that highlight the origin and growth of the tea industry in the Nilgiris. And you'll have an interactive exhibits, information about the types of tea, their benefits and the cultural significance of tea drinking. A short film will be displayed which says the documentary about the history and process involved in tea production. And the tea factory, it will allow visitors to witness the tea making process in action, including the plucking, the demonstration of how tea leaves are collected from the plantation, withering, the process of drying leaves to remove moisture, and the rolling, how the tea leaves are twisted and release flavor. And the fermentation process, understanding the oxidation process for different types of tea, and the drying and the sorting, the final steps in the creating ready to use tea. And you also experience the tea tasting, which includes aromatic Nilgiri blends. They'll give a sample of tea where you can taste. And there is a store on site offers freshly packed tea, spices and souvenirs. You can buy freshly cardamom, pepper and tea packets. tea museum closes at around 6 p.m. in the evening. So after this we'll be heading to the hostel.
Like an easier time to do that, but still financially they require a lot of money. Yeah, they're asking for a lot, like $1,000 I think or something. $1,000 for decent.
Yeah, that's my main issue with it.
Yeah, I don't have an issue with that because I want to complete the stands. I want to have like it's like the Thanos hand, you know. I want to have all 5 of them. Catch them all, Pokemon catch them all. Turkmenistan is hard to catch. So yeah, I really want to go there because they have a funky flag as well.
The ZOSTEL Ooty is located in a serene part of the hill station, offering a stunning views of the surrounding Nilgiris hills. Its location makes it ideal for exploring nearby attraction, trekking trails and tea plantations. And the accommodation, dormitories, it has a dormitories and private room. The dormitories will cost you around 699 to 1000 rupees, and during peak season the dorm bed will cost you around 1000 rupees, which has a mixed and the female only dorm with bunk beds and personal lockers you'll have, and you have to carry your locker, you have to carry the lock. So, and the charging points are available, and you have also a private room which will cost you around 3500. For those who prefer privacy, the private rooms offer comfort with modern amenities. And it has a common area. It's a vibrant common rooms with board games, books and lounge spaces. The outdoor seating areas with views of Ooty natural beauty. So, and the dining in the house cafes serving delicious local and continental food, and the community kitchen facility where guests can cook their meals, but currently it is not allowed. You can order and they will serve you the local and the continental food, and you will have a free Wi-Fi available throughout the property to work or leisure. And you will get a travel assistance as well, help with planning treks, sightseeing tours and transport arrangements will be given. This place is a 2-star hotel, and they will guide you, and they will guide you for planning treks and sightseeing tours. And you can also go for trekking and nature walks, which they organize treks to nearby hills and waterfalls, and you have a bonfire in the evening, a cozy evening with fellow you can spend time with the fellow travelers around a campfire. And you will have a movie nights, storytelling and games to connect with other guests, and they will assist you in local tours where you can explore Ooty Lake, the botanical garden and the Dodabetta Peak and the tea estates. And it's one of the affordable yet stylish and comfortable accommodation. This is one of the oldest building. It's more than 100 years old. A social atmosphere that encourages you to meeting like-minded travelers, and it is very close to the bus stop. It would take around 15 minutes walkable distance, and if you hire an auto they will charge 100 rupees from bus stop to the hostel. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on like and please do subscribe, and we'll catch you up in the next interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.